How to undo in Adobe Acrobat. First, go to your browser and head to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in. Once you are there, click All Tools and choose a tool like Edit a PDF or Add Comments. Upload the PDF you want to work with. Once the file opens, look at the top left corner on the screen. You will see a curved arrow pointing left. That's the undo button. Click it to undo your most recent action, whether it was adding text, drawing, or commenting. Prefer shortcuts? Hit Ctrl plus Z if you are using Windows or Command plus Z if you are using Mac to undo instantly. Bonus tip: undo works best while editing. Once you save and exit, you can't undo older changes. So keep it open if you are still experimenting. And that's how you undo in Adobe Acrobat. Simple and powerful. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.